Have you ever written code that works perfectly in one language but fails in another? It's a common frustration for many programmers. Today, we're diving into a puzzling issue. Why does the Fibonacci sequence work in Python but not in C? I totally get it. You write your code, run it, and expect the same results across different programming languages. But when things don't add up, it can leave you scratching your head. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user shared their Python code for generating the Fibonacci sequence, which works perfectly. However, when they tried to replicate it in C, the output was completely different. Instead of Fibonacci numbers, they got powers of 2. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what went wrong? The issue lies in how variables are assigned and updated in C compared to Python. In Python, the simultaneous assignment works seamlessly, but in C, the order of operations can lead to unexpected results. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help you avoid similar pitfalls in your coding journey. To understand why the C program generates powers of 2, we need to look closely at how the variables are being updated in the loop. In Python, the user uses tuple unpacking to swap the values of A and B. In the C code, however, the user is using a single line to update both variables. This means that the value of A is updated before the new value of B is calculated, leading to incorrect results. To fix this, the user should use a temporary variable to hold the value of a before updating it. This way, the original value of a can be used to calculate the new value of B correctly. After making this change, the user should see the correct Fibonacci sequence generated by the C program, just like in Python. Fun fact, the Fibonacci sequence appears in nature, from the arrangement of leaves to the patterns of a sunflower. So, if your code isn't working, just remember that even nature has its quirks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. The user explains that the difference in behavior between Python and C arises from how the comma operator is interpreted in each language. In Python, the line AB equals B, A plus B updates both variables simultaneously. However, in C, the line A equals B equals A plus B first assigns B to A and then uses the new value of A to calculate B, leading to incorrect results. Let's move forward and look at another answer. This user clarifies that the issue arises from misunderstanding the comma operator in C. They provide an alternative solution that correctly calculates the Fibonacci sequence. Here's the tip I promised. Always be mindful of how variable assignments work in different programming languages. Understanding these nuances can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your C code should now generate the Fibonacci sequence just like your Python code. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Happy coding!